Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PS5 appearing offline. First, let's ensure your internet connection is stable and working correctly. A quick check of your router lights can confirm this. Next, visit the official PlayStation Network status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues that might be affecting your online presence. Finally, navigate to your PS5 settings and confirm that your system software is completely up to date, as outdated software can sometimes cause connectivity glitches. Now let's dive into your PS5 privacy settings, which often hold the key to this issue. From the main menu, go to Settings, then Users and Accounts, and finally Privacy. Within the privacy settings, look for the option that controls your online status. Make sure it is explicitly set to online or appear online and not appear offline. You can also adjust who can see your online status here, ensuring it's visible to your friends or everyone. If the problem persists, we'll move on to some advanced network troubleshooting. Begin by power cycling your router and modem. Simply unplug them for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Once your network is back online, go to your PS5 network settings and perform an internet connection test. If issues remain, consider manually changing your DNS settings to a public server, like Google's 8.8.8.8, which can sometimes resolve connectivity problems. As a final troubleshooting step on your console, you can try rebuilding the PS5 database in safe mode. This process can often fix underlying system issues without deleting your data. If after trying all these steps, your PS5 still appears offline, it's time to reach out to PlayStation support. When contacting them, be sure to provide detailed information about the problem, including all the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted, to help them assist you more efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.